Good morning and Sairam to all. We are doing chapter 14, Chemical Effects of Electric Current. In last video, we have finished chemical effect of electric current. So, in this video, we are going to start our next topic, or it is our last topic of this chapter or your science syllabus, and it is electroplating. Next topic is electroplating. Before going to start our new topic, we will do a quick revision what we have learnt in our previous video. So, in previous video, we have learnt about positive terminal and negative terminal. In electrode, you are having two terminal. Number one, positive terminal, and number two, negative terminal. If we will take hydrogen gas, if you will take water and you will pass current through that water, what will happen? Yes, bubble will produce. Where the bubble of oxygen will produce, that is a positive terminal of electron. That is a positive terminal of electron. And where hydrogen gas bubbles were formed on the electrode, that terminal is your negative terminal. Is this clear? So, if you will pass current through water, what will happen? Bubbles will produce. Hydrogen bubble will produce on a negative electrode, and positive bubble will produce on a oxygen bubble will produce on a positive terminal. So with this, now we can write that what do you mean by electrolytes? Basically, the liquids which conduct electricity and at the same time undergo decomposition. The liquid which conducts electricity is known as your what? Electrolytes. Is this clear? After that, now with this way we can write the definition of electrolysis. What do you mean by electrolysis? The decomposition of electrolyte. The decomposition of an electrolyte by passing electric current through it. It is called electrolysis. It is called electrolysis. What do you mean by electrolysis? The decomposition of electrolyte by passing electric current through it is called electrolysis. What are the uses of electrolysis? Number one, it is used for the extraction of metal from their ores. Second, it is used for the manufacturing of chemicals like chlorine gas, hydrogen gas. When you will pass current through water, what will produce? Hydrogen and oxygen gas will produce. Is this clear? Like that. Which are used in industries on a large scale. It is used for refining of metals. Electrolytic metal like zinc, copper and silver are refined like this. It is used for electroplating. Is this clear? So now in this video we are going to study about electroplating. Let us start with electroplating. So you might have seen jewelry look like gold, but its cost is much less than that of gold. Have you seen artificial jewelry? That artificial jewelry look like a gold jewelry. But if you compare the rate of these two jewelries, there is a huge difference, or you can say there is a large difference between the cost of artificial jewelry and a gold jewelry. Now, however, when it is used repeatedly, its gold coating wear off after some time. When you will use artificial jewelry many times, after some time what will happen? Its gold coating wear off. जो उसे गोल्ड कोटिंग की होती है वो उतरनी शुरू हो जाती है, and surface of metal below the coating is exposed. So basically, your electroplating is one of the most important application of electrolysis. I told you what is the use of electrolysis? It is used in the electroplating. So basically your electroplating is an application of your electrolysis. Clear? So it is a method of coating the metal surface of an article with a thin layer of superior metal. Then with the help of the electric current. With the help of a electric current. Is this clear? So basically your electroplating is one of a chemical effect of electric current. Basically, what is this? What is electroplating? It is the effect of your electric current. Electroplating is a chemical process using which a metal is coated with a layer of another desired metal. If you want to coat, for example, if you are having a silver metal, for example, or you are having a iron. Take a iron. What is the formula of iron? Fe. If you are having a iron metal and if you want to coat that iron metal with the copper color, so what you will do? You will do a electroplating. Clear? आप उसमें copper wire का metal का एक layer चढ़ा दोगे. Is this clear? So electroplating is done by make the metal shiny. What is the use of electroplating? It's make a metal shiny. Electroplating is done over the articles made of iron to make iron shiny and to prevent iron from getting rusted. Clear? If you will coat a iron, so first if you will coat, or you can say if you will electroplate a iron, what happens? Number one, that electroplating make the iron shiny. That electroplating process make the iron shiny and to prevent iron from getting rusted. Rusted means जंग लगना. If you will do electroplating, तो iron में जंग नहीं लगता है, or you can say lead में लगता है. Clear? Examples: wheel rims, handle of cycle are made shiny by method of electroplating. That tab, lock and key. Is this clear? They all are become shiny after the electroplating. Clear? So now process of electroplating, how it takes place. In the process of electroplating, metal salt solution is taken in a container. Here. Clear? Salt solution will take. Now salt of metal chosen which is to be coated. Now what you will do? You will choose which metal to be coated over another metal. Metal which to be coated in dipped in the solution and connected with a negative pole. Metal with desired coating is connected with the positive pole. That means जो metal आपको coat करनी है, that will connect it to the negative terminal. And जिस metal से आपको coat करना है, that will connect it to the to the positive terminal. Now, when electric current is passed through the solution, metal from anode is dissolved in the salt. Anode means positive. And deposited over the negative pole called cathode. Thus, coating of desired metal is obtained of another metal. That means, when you will pass electric current, what will happen? Metal from anode, जो भी metal आपके anode में होगा, वो dissolve हो जाएगा salt में. And where it will get deposited? It will get deposited to the negative pole. Clear? Thus, coating of desired metal is obtained on another metal. Clear? Like this, the process of electroplating take place. Now see here, electroplating. Here AgNO3 का हो रहा है. Here A silver nitrate copper sulfate, gold. Clear? Now, use of electroplating. Number 1. Water pipes which are made of iron are coated with a layer of zinc metal by the process of electroplating. Zinc is a less reactive than iron and thus prevents the iron pipe from getting rusted. The water pipes which we are using at home, they all are made up of iron. Clear? And they are coated with a layer of zinc metal. They are coated with a layer of zinc metal. By which process? By the process of electroplating. So, zinc is less reactive than iron. Iron is more reactive than zinc. So, zinc is less reactive than iron and thus the iron pipe, this prevents the iron pipe from getting rusted. Is this clear? The second one is rims of wheel cycle, cars, etc. are electroplated with a chromium metal. Layer of chromium metal give them shiny appearance and prevents from rust. Third one, ornament made of silver or other cheap metals are electroplated with a gold to give them appearance like gold, like your artificial jewelry. Tin cans are used for storing food, are made up of iron. Electroplating with a coat of tin. Tin is less reactive than iron and prevents food packed in them from getting spoiled. So these are the uses of electroplating. I am reading once more. Listen carefully. Water pipes which are made of iron are coated with a layer of zinc metal by the process of electroplating. Zinc is less reactive than iron and thus prevents the iron pipe from getting rusted. The second one, rims of wheels of cycle, cars, etc. are electroplated with chromium metal. Layer of chromium metal gives them shiny appearance and prevents from rust. Ornaments made of silver or other cheap metals are electroplated with gold to give them appearance like gold. Tin cans used for storing food are made up of iron. Electroplating with a coat of tin. Tin is a less reactive than iron and prevent foods packed in them from getting spoiled. So they are use of electroplating. With this, our chapter is finished and our syllabus is finished. If you are having any doubt, any query, you can call or message me. I will clear that. So, do your study properly. Be safe at your home. Thank you and Sai Ram.